Hello my friends and welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to prepare these delicious lemon pepper wings. It's an easy recipe and definitely a crowd pleaser. So come with me guys and let me show you how to prepare these delicious lemon pepper wings. So guys, we have some easy ingredients here. I'm quite sure you guys have these in your pantry. So I have some cornstarch. I have some lemon pepper seasoning. I have some paprika. I have some garlic powder. I am going to be using some cilantro because I don't have any parsley. At the end, I'm going to be preparing a lemon butter sauce, and I'm going to be adding some cilantro instead of parsley. So if you don't have parsley, you got cilantro, either or will be fine. I'm going to be using some butter. I got a stick of butter, got a lemon. I have some extra salt here, and I'm going to be using, of course, some black pepper. We got some oil, and I'm going to be using some butter spray as well, because I'm going to actually bake these in the oven. Now, I have about 25 wings, which is about 4 pounds. So let's get started, guys. So let's go ahead and season our wings, okay? Let's go ahead, just put all your ingredients in. Really, no specific order. I do say that the last thing you want to add is the cornstarch, okay? So let's just go ahead. I'm going to be a little generous with my black pepper because this is going to give it such a nice spicy. You know, we love spicy here. Now with the salt, guys, because I am actually using a lemon pepper seasoning that includes salt, I'm going to be very careful with this, okay? We don't want to overdo this. So I'm not going to be adding a lot, okay? Just a little bit. Okay? Then I'm going to go ahead and we are going to start. And another thing, guys, make sure that the wings are dry. So I actually patted my wings dry as much as I could, okay? Because you want all these seasoning to stick to the wings nicely, okay? So this is perfect. I'm gonna go ahead and add the cornstarch. And the cornstarch, what it's gonna do actually is make sure I don't leave anything here. It's gonna give that nice crispy skin, because I'm not gonna fry these guys. So it's gonna do the job. I just love it. So nice. I think this is perfect. Okay. Now I'm gonna add just a little bit of oil. Okay, because these are gonna actually go in the oven, and I'm gonna put it in this little baking dish I have with a little rock, and I don't want this to stick to it. Okay, so this is going to help. And of course, I'm going to add a little bit of the butter spray, okay, so it doesn't stick to the little grids on the baking pan. I'm going to go ahead and spray it. It's going to help so the wings don't stick. And I'm going to go ahead and start placing my wings. No special order, my friends, okay? Do try not to put them too close together. Now these are ready to go in the oven. Again, my oven is at 400 degrees. It is ready to roll, and these are gonna go for 45 minutes. So let's do this. Now, let me tell you guys, this lemon butter sauce right here is what's gonna give these wings a kick, a delicious lemon kick. And what I like to do is, I like to do this ahead, so the butter and all the ingredients marinate nicely. Very simple. What I did is I melted my stick of butter. I'm gonna add just a little bit of salt, not too much. Some pepper, black pepper, I'm gonna go ahead and add my lemon. This is 1 lemon. And then I'm gonna add, actually guys, this is cilantro. Remember, I don't have any parsley, so I'm gonna use this. So the idea with this is just let it sit, guys. Let it sit for a while. And then we are gonna brush this delicious lemon butter on these wings. It's gonna be so good. You are going to see. Delicious. Guys, I forgot one more ingredient. I actually added a little bit more of the lemon pepper seasoning. Okay, so don't forget that part. I almost did. It happens. Look how nice and crispy my wings are looking. Okay, I have about another 10 more minutes. Well, guys, my wings are ready. I'm going to show you guys what I am about to do, because this is what makes these wings so delicious. Ooh, this is hot. Ooh, this is perfect. Look how pretty this looks, guys. Now here's the trick, guys. We have to do this now, and we're gonna let this sit for a good 5 to 10 minutes before serving. Now guys, I don't know about you guys, but what is your favorite part of the wings? Mine is definitely the flats. And it's interesting because we're actually 4 here in the house. And guess what, guys? We're actually even. We have myself and Tatiana, who love the flats. And then we got Hector and Francesca, who like the drumsticks. So, no fussing here. We are even. Now guys, look how beautiful this looks. Now my friends, I'm gonna let this sit for a few minutes. And of course, I am gonna plate these in a beautiful dish before serving. Now guys, this is ready. And you know what? I like to add that extra butter at the end. And I'm gonna actually leave this out because you can actually add as much as you want. Yes, I'm gonna try one. And of course, I'm gonna go with my favorite, flats. Let's see. Guys, this is so good. So delicious. And listen, this was in the oven. It seems like they're fried. It tastes like they're fried, but the cornstarch is what actually does this. So good. So delicious. You have to try this. My goodness. Delicious, guys. Guys, I sure hope you have enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that little bell, guys, so you guys don't miss out on videos. I'll see you guys next time. Cheers.